Hi, little nugget. Are you happy to be back home? I bet you are. Another week. Happy Monday. I just got back, late yesterday from spending a couple of days with my grandmother and family for her 91st birthday. If you saw some of that in the last vlog. And I was able to spend some time with her yesterday morning and kind of do a Q&A with her and ask her some questions, which I'll be putting that in a separate video. I want to go over the footage and see what it's giving. I'm probably going to have to edit some things out. But I did really enjoy spending time with her. And now my grandmother says because of her age that I need to see her at least every 3 weeks at this juncture in her life. So there will probably be more family content coming as much as I can stand it, because sometimes dealing with family can be like a little bit stressful and interesting and overwhelming and overstimulating for me. My family is very loud and very wild, and a lot of these motherfuckers need therapy and refuse to do so. So yeah. This is Mikella the Monstera. I got her a little over a week ago. I ordered her off of Etsy. I'll drop the link in the description below, but she needs to be watered. She needs to get out of the temporary pot. This is my first plant ever. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I think there is a trip to like Lowe's or Home Depot in my future today or tomorrow. So yeah. Right now I am about to meal prep. I am very much liking that I've been able to maintain my weight after I did no meat, no alcohol in, what was that? February. I did no meat, no alcohol. And I really liked the changes that I saw in my body, even though that change was specifically just discipline based. But now I'm really liking it. I don't really feel that great when I eat meat or when I drink, so I'm just kind of keeping on that train. And I would like to, now that I've like maintained a good weight, I want to maybe drop like a few more, but I'm really not even worried about that at that point. At this point, I'm really just working on toning. So I have been cleared by my chiropractor to get back in the gym and lift. And I know I've also just been spending entirely too much money on eating out. I think at this point, Uber Eats is like, girl, do you even know how to cook? So I am going to get back to meal prepping. I am somewhat of a meal prep beast, but I honestly really haven't done that in a year because I've been in the house. So it seemed easier, like, oh, I'm already in the house, but I do really, really well with structure. So, and things being ready for me. So I'm going to go back to meal prepping to save money, to make things easier for me, and really to control what I'm eating. Because doing a lot of Uber Eats, I was getting frustrated because I was getting things that, while they were convenient, if I made them myself, they would have tasted better. And since I'm pretty much going like the pescatarian route right now, I think it's just best that I make things myself. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, it's 1 hour flat. I have salads for the week. I made some salmon, I made some shrimp, I made some kale, I made some cabbage soup. About to sit down and eat. Good morning. It's Tuesday. Feeling pretty good today. Kind of didn't sleep my best last night. A little bit of anxiety, centered around work, centered around my 9 to 5. I didn't complete some work and I had an early meeting this morning to report on it. I'm trying to do my best to manage my anxiety around work. I've worked in really, really toxic work environments previously, and sometimes I get anxiety thinking that things are way worse than they are when it comes to work related things. And my boss is just really amazing. So things that I'm normally tripping off of, she doesn't. And that's a blessing. But I'm just trying to manage my anxiety, but feeling really good and organized. Got some things done today. Still have some more work to do. I'm hoping because I've got other things, planned and lined out, I'm gonna see if I can go to Home Depot today, get some plant stuff, some things that I need, and hopefully hit the gym. I absolutely adore watching her sleep and snuggle up. I have 1,000,001 blankets in here, but she is obsessed with this faux chinchilla throw from West Elm, which is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna link it. But we fight over this blanket often. I'm sorry. I am actually about to go into Target. Been feeling a little off, and I realized I haven't been doing a lot of self-care things that were bringing me joy, like flowers and candles and just other aromatics, and bath time. So, and then just treating myself in general. So we're gonna go into Target and see what kind of damage we do real quick. I picked this candle up from Target today. When I say it's doing what needs to be done, I've had it burning a couple of hours, and I just walked into my bedroom and divine heaven. She's strong. She's doing what she needs to do. I don't like super feminine fragrances. It is the right amount of musk, and it just smells like a black man with a strong back. Yes. Good afternoon. It's Thursday. Shit, it's not Thursday. It's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I have reached a new level of, I don't know if it's a new low, but a new level of pandemic purchasing. Did you know you could do an Instacart order at Sephora? So I just Instacarted from Sephora this morning, and I just got my notification that they finished my order, and they already checked out and they're on their way. I'm pretty excited. I did also order the new Fenty Eavesdrop. Clearly I'm wildin'. I ordered 2 colors because I didn't know which one would work best. I'm not the biggest fan of Rihanna Fenty complexion products because the one I tried, they oxidized terribly. I'm talking Oompa Loompa. So we'll see how this works. All right, just got a mini Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel from NARS because it's one of my holy grails, but I didn't want to buy a full-size one, just because I'm trying to watch my spending, and 2, I'm still trying other concealers out, trying to find the right thing, but I really love hydrating ones. And then I'm trying out the Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation. It says it's a hydrating long wear foundation. I'm normally not a fan, I say it all the time, I'm normally not a fan of Fenty complexion products. For it to have so many colors, I was never able to find one that perfectly matched me, and I just found that absolutely insane with all the marketing that they did about there's a color for everyone. Girl, no, there wasn't. And when they did a an extension of their color shade. And I think they added like 7 different colors at some point. And there were some colors that they had added in between, like where I was supposed to be. Still didn't have a color that worked for me. Bugs. Good morning. Good morning, happy Friday. It is so cloudy and gloomy today, and quite frankly, I'm kicking myself in the ass for not playing at makeup yesterday, or the past 2 days like I was supposed to, because then I could have gotten nice natural light pictures, but here we are. So in today's agenda, I think I might just turn my studio lights on and still playing makeup. I think my Fenty Eavesdrop foundations show up today, or skin tints, whatever they want to call them. So if they arrive in enough time, I think I'll play with those. And I'm getting waxed today. I haven't had a Brazilian in so long. And I'm excited to be waxed and vaxxed. But we're going to start with these good breakfast tacos. Good morning. Happy Saturday. It is the weekend. I didn't do nearly as much as I wanted to yesterday, but that's okay. I'm just really prioritizing letting myself flow and do things that I enjoy. So I chilled, napped, saw some friends, chit-chatted, shot the shit, and it was great. But today, I'm getting ready to go to our package room, my Fenty Eavesdrop skin tints or foundations. They have shown up, and going to do some filming today in my oh so messy filming area. Chloe is laying in my lap, and she just farted, a silent one, and it is deadly. And I feel completely accosted in this very moment. How could something so small and so cute smell so disgusting? Sephora box arrived. All right, so I got the new Fenty Eavesdrop foundations. I got the colors 18 and 19, and we finna play in them. So I'm gonna go play. And we back. Got a light full face on using the Fenty Eavesdrop blurring skin tint. Tried out some new lipsticks that I got from a makeup friend, Sharon Renee Beauty. She sent me 3 lovely lipsticks. So tried those out in the video as well. So now I'm gonna go on about the rest of my day and do a wear test and see how it wears throughout the day. I'll be outside, I'll be going to the park with one of my little niecey poo god babies. And yeah, so we're gonna see how this works. I feel like I'm gonna be like I'm gonna feel kind of weird like being at the park with a full face on, but I gotta see how this wears. It's 12:52 sharp, and we're gonna go on about the day, and I'll be back later and see how this holds up. All right, so we've got a natural light test going on. I changed the lip from Razzmatazz to Dirty Shirley because I've got on red pants and she coordinates wherever she goes, or at least tries to. So I'm headed to the park and we'll see what she's giving. Hi. Yeah, hi.
Outside? Baby!
You did a lap.
That's what Dante got nipped when we were kids.
Oh, really?
Right over here, yep. Damn, these niggas.
I can't smell them. Praise God.
Breathe.
Bacon.
That nigga's supposed to be wet for me.
Right.
Oh, the food's coming. That's why. Okay.
Oh, it's dinner time. My bad.
Come on now. Hey, John.
Thought they were excited for us. Nope. I don't know how she does this, but every walk she finds a chicken bone. Drop it. Drop it.